Enhance and protect your Xbox Series X with the Mania Cooling Fan Dust-Proof Set, designed to keep your console running smoothly and looking cool. This multifunctional accessory features a low-noise top fan with 3 adjustable speed gears, ensuring your console stays cool during intense gaming sessions. The set also includes a dust cover filter and rubber plugs to protect your Xbox from dust and debris, extending its lifespan. The colorful light strip adds a stylish touch, with an independent tube. Introducing the 3-in-1 wireless charging station, the perfect solution for all your Apple devices. This sleek and efficient MagSafe charger stand is designed to provide 15W fast charging for your iPhone 15, 14, 13, or 12 series, along with your Apple Watch and AirPods, all in one convenient location. The magnetic alignment ensures your devices stay securely in place while charging, and the adjustable angle allows you to customize the stand for optimal viewing. Whether you're at your desk or bed. Introducing the 2 pairs of magnetic holding hand socks, a fun and quirky gift idea perfect for couples, best friends, or teens. These unique socks feature a cute design where each pair magnetically connects at the hands, symbolizing the bond between you and your loved one. Ideal for anniversaries, engagements, or just as a playful token of affection, these socks add a touch of charm to your everyday wear. Made from comfortable, high-quality material, they're both practical and memorable. Celebrate. Introducing the cell phone stand with wireless Bluetooth speaker, a multifunctional accessory that combines convenience with superior sound quality. This stand not only holds your iPhone, iPad, or Samsung Galaxy securely with its anti-slip base but also delivers HD surround sound through its built-in Bluetooth speaker. Perfect for both home and outdoor use, this device allows you to enjoy hands-free video calls, movies, or music with crisp, clear audio. Whether on your desk, kitchen counter. Introducing the Rock Tumbler Kit, Hobby Edition, the perfect STEM science kit for aspiring geologists and hobbyists alike. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to transform rough gemstones into beautifully polished treasures. With rough gemstones, for polishing grits, and a user-friendly rock polisher, it's an engaging, educational experience for both kids and adults. Whether you're new to rock tumbling or an experienced enthusiast, this kit offers hours of hands-on learning and